Hello, welcome to grade 5, and we are currently doing the writing workshop, so come on in. As you can see, we are currently in our writing time. Let me explain how it works. Come on over here, please. So with the writing workshop, we usually have a short mini lesson, and this is a chance for me to teach things to our young writers to make them into a better writer. Think of it as adding a tool to the writing toolkit. And that usually lasts about 8 to 10 minutes. After that, students are engaged in writing, such as they are right now, during our writing time. And this can include things such as drafting, publishing, editing, revising, giving each other feedback, group work, even games at times. And at the end, we come to sharing, where students will share some of the work either with partners or in front of the whole class. And this encourages writers to become better writers through the act of writing. It's a fun time in our daily schedule, and we very much enjoy our writers workshop. Thank you very much.